What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review we have the combo smoke detector and carbon monoxide alarm, and this is battery operated. This is not hardwired, so you don't need an electrician for the people who is scared to play with their electrical. Alright, so this unit should be, I think, 3 of them or 2 of them, one or the other. So let's go ahead and unbox it. This comes with a 12-month warranty from the manufacturer. So we got 1, took the bag out of 1, 2, and then 3. Oh, and guess what else? Comes with batteries and instruction guide. You can see it right there on the box. A little light blue digital display. I'm about to put the batteries in, and in order to do that, it looks like, oh, pops off nice and easy. All right, so that is the housing where you screw in this back piece, and then when you put it on, you just simply put in, twist, and that's it. Well, that is 85 dB of loudness. So that thing was loud. So test. So test is on. We have zero, I think it's parts per million. So we're just gonna say ppm. Alarm sensitivity. Carbon monoxide alarm sensitivity and time. So 70 ppm alarms within 60 to 180 minutes. 150 ppm alarms within 10 to 50 minutes. 400 ppm alarms within 4 to 15 minutes. 700 ppm alarms within 2 to 6 minutes. So the higher the ppm, the alarm goes within that time frame. All right, so unless you have that embedded in your head, you will probably forget it. The display do not stay on from what I have right here. So yeah, I just hit the middle, test, and then there you go. Do a little test again, and then that's it. It goes away. There is nothing else left to this thing, and that's about it. If y'all want to know, do all 3 alarms go together? We'll test out 2 real quick. Okay, so they do not trigger each other. So once one goes off, then that's it. It's not one to the other. So basically you could pretty much put these anywhere if you want it on your wall like this. I know most of them is on the ceiling, but if this is on your ceiling, you definitely won't be able to read this unless you got immaculate eyesight. So if you have it somewhere, maybe by your door or your master bedroom door somewhere, and you just want to have this face like that, then, you know, or you want to put it beside your thermostat, however you want to organize it, be pretty cool. But that's about it. These carbon monoxide alarms are cheap, I'm not going to lie. So long story short, the Knox carbon monoxide alarm that I bought the other day and I returned it, the Walmart associate had an attitude. I don't know what the attitude was, so I had to call the manager and go ahead and return my stuff. The one that sound like a little dial-up sign every time you plug it into the outlet. Yeah, that one. So anyways, y'all probably don't know about that one yet until I actually drop that, but okay, you guys, so that's about it. Like I said, this is on sale right now. Cyber Mondays is about $8 to $10 off. So if you want smoke and carbon monoxide detectors in your home, or if you want some brand new ones, this is a good price. They got some carbon monoxide detectors out there that are very expensive, very expensive. Just for one, $40 for one. This is $40 for three. All right, so I do have some more coming in. I want some smart ones. I want ones that I can get alerts from my phone. You already know how I am. I want some smart products. So I'm looking into smoke detectors that and carbon monoxides that you can see the readings from the phone. That's it with this review. Like, comment, share, subscribe.